Good morning, kids! This is your teacher, Teacher May, and today we're going to learn. Are you ready? Let's go! Today we are going to study about letter T. Letter T. Before we start, let us sing the song. One more time.
When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Very good. So today we are going to study about letter T. T. Everybody say letter T. T. The sound of the letter T is T. T. The sound of the letter T is T. T. Train. Train. Everybody say train. Train. Very good. T. T. Tiger. T. T. Tiger. T. T. Top. T. T. Top. T. T. Top. T. T. Top. Okay, one more time. Everybody say top. Top. Tiger. Tiger. Train. Train. One more time. Train. Train. Tiger. Tiger. Top. Top. Very good. That is letter T. Letter T. Okay. Everybody say tiger. Tiger. Top. Top. Train. Train. Tiger. Top. Train. Very good. Now circle the different. Okay, choose on the picture which picture is different. Can you tell me? Can you point your finger? Okay, let's see. So, the different is the tiger. Very good. Next, which picture is different? Can you guess? Let's see if you are correct. Very good. It's the train. It's the train. Next, which picture is different? Point your finger. Very good. It's the top. It's the top. Okay, those are letter T. Letter T. The sound of letter T is T. T. Train. Can you repeat after me? Train. Very good. One more time. Train. Next. Tiger. Tiger. Good job. Last one is top. Top. So those are about letter T. See you again next time. Goodbye.